Logic-1 of, cigar party of Logic-1 Python. So when squirrels get together for a party, they like to have cigars, okay? Squirrel party is successful, so number of cigars between 40 and 60. So inclusive, so meaning 40 to 60 is successful, and then unless it is the weekend, so in the weekend it's going to be different, in which case there is no upper bound on the number of cigars. So at least, like, if it's more than 40, it's successful in the weekends. So return true if the party with the given values is successful, or false otherwise, okay? So we can say if number of cigars. So we have the variable cigars here. So we have if cigars is between 40 and 60, and it's inclusive. 40 inclusive, and less than 60. And so if it's the weekend, this is not necessarily true. So we have to say and is weekend equals false, then return true. So if it's 40 and 60, if it's between 40 and 60 and it's not a weekend, then we return false. Else if the number of cigars is greater than 40, greater or equal to 40, and is weekend, then if it is weekend, we really don't have to say it equals true, because that already is the boolean that, it's already true given. So we can return true if it is the weekend and there's more than 40 cigars. Lastly, if it's not more than 40 or less than 60, or it's also not the weekend, then it's probably false. Yeah, there's probably a shorter solution to this. We can just say if it is the weekend and the cigars are greater than 40, then we can return true. So this means that if the number of cigars is greater than 40, it returns true. If it doesn't, it returns false. And here, so else basically is not weekend, then we return true if number of cigars is greater than 40 and greater or equal to 40, and number of cigars is less than 60 or equal to 60. Then it's going to return true. If that's not the case, it's going to return false.